Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that I, as well as a lot of you guys, have been very patiently waiting for. A lot longer than realistically we should have. But we got the 46 loaded up and we're going to Firebird. So I'm going to be driving today at the season opener. It's modded culture sliders only. We're going to get some test laps with the 46 with the new power plant. Very excited for today. Should be a very fun time, provided I don't blow any of my axles, which is a very real possibility. I don't have any spares, so we're going to keep that on the down low and just cross our fingers and pray that we don't pop one. But that being said, I haven't felt this way in a long time. It's been 6 months since we drove. Coincidentally, the last time we drove was a modded culture Bahoku event. So it's gonna be nice to be back. It's gonna be really nice to be back and see a lot of friendly faces and, you know, hang out with some friends again. But I'm gonna go inside and eat some breakfast. I'm kind of hungry. And then we got to scoot because this is a daytime event. So event starts at 11. I'm guessing the gates open at like 9:30, so I got to get out of here in about an hour if I'm going to get out of here by 8:30 and make it. So catch you on the road. Let's go! Guys, we made it to Firebird. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get checked in and find our pit spot, get the car unloaded, and check in with you guys a little bit after that, all right? But man, I'm like, I'm in such a good mood right now. I can't believe that we're finally getting to drive the car. Woo! All right, guys. Well, we're finally in the pits. Car's unloaded. We're getting ready to go to tech. We're out here with House of Euro. Also setting up helmet with new comms. It's gonna be a really good day. I'm gonna go get teched here in a minute, but we're just waiting for the event to start. Rick's gonna be here soon. So we got all the boys. Team No Team, aka House of Euro, aka Big Central. But super stoked to be out here. It's been 6 months, a long time coming, and I'm really happy to be back out at the track. All right, well, we passed tech. The car's warming up. I gotta hook up the laptop to data log, and we're gonna go up for our first lap. And data log the first lap, just kind of taking it easy, but not so easy. And then after that, we'll review the logs, make some revisions, and then we'll go back out and do it again. Today's really a test and tune to make sure the car is good and to learn and trust the car. So we'll just kind of take it as we go.
I need help.
I got it. Holy fuck! Woo! All right, we pulled back to the pits to check data logs and stuff, but oh my god, dude, this thing is fucking insane. I don't even know what to say other than just wow. What a car, dude. What a car we built over at House of Euro. This thing is an absolute animal. The first corner we went off because I didn't really understand how fast I was going and how much power I had, but after I figured that out, Jesus Christ, this thing's gonna be amazing. So we got a couple runs in. We were running into an issue. Well, the first issue we ran into is I sucked the fuel tank dry. So I need to keep an eye on how much fuel I have because this thing just guzzles E45. And then the second is that my second radiator fan wasn't kicking on. The circuit for that one wasn't tripping for some reason. I think it just wasn't wired. I just didn't wire it. So I just teed in the into the other fan as a quick fix just to get them both going because we were getting the car really hot. And that was causing some lean conditions. So we're gonna take her back out in a little bit. We're gonna actually get Nisha in the car because she has to get going here soon. She's got some stuff that she's got to take care of today. So I want the wife to ride in the car since she's been so supportive of building it and pushing me to get better and better. And then yeah, we'll just keep going through as the day goes. But man, I cannot be more excited about how this thing runs. All right, guys, we got to take Nisha on a ride. What do you think?
That was so cool.
We're going to let the car cool down right now because the mid plate on the transmission's dripping. So it's landing on the white pipe and smoking off a bit. So I'm going to let the car cool down so I can get under there and see if there's anything we can do to stop that, short of pulling the transmission and resealing it. But yeah, car's doing phenomenal. We just got to give her a rest and then keep trying to do some data logs and we'll go from there. But and we got friends. Hello. Well, guys, that's a wrap on Modded Culture season opener, sliders only. The car did phenomenal. We had a little bit of an issue getting the ECU to communicate with the laptop so we could update the tune a little bit, but overall the car drove incredibly. Boatloads of power compared to what it was before, and realistically we only went through not even a pair of tires. I couldn't be happier with today, the result of today. Yeah, dude, I'm speechless. I'll recap when I get home as always, but today was a really, really fucking good day. I'm super stoked and can't wait to drive this thing more. All right, guys. Well, after a long day, I got home last night and kind of fell asleep. So it's a nice morning. But just to close out the video, overall, the e46 did awesome. She ran like a bat out of hell. We ran into some issues with it running a little lean, so we added some fuel, and we definitely probably have a little bit more fuel that we can add. But all in all, really good test day and a great event. Super happy with how the car drives and how the power feels, and I can't wait to drive it more and push it even further, play around with getting more grip out of the car and driving faster and faster and faster. But leave a thumbs up, comment what you think of the car. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Content's going to be coming back out more regularly now that we're not in the build process and I'm not in my own head about getting things done. But I think I may do a build walk around, like build breakdown here soon, just to kind of go over everything we did in a little bit more detail. But yeah, I appreciate you guys hanging around, watching the video, and can't wait for the next driving day. But until next time, guys, everybody stay easy, keep chasing your dreams,